Hey everybody, SoIt'sSparrow, welcome back to my channel. It's early in the morning. I haven't done my makeup. I'm too tired to really do my makeup. Like, I'm just in a twilight zone of if I do my makeup and then I gotta spend all the time doing it. And I don't want to do it, honestly. I want to take another nap. Like, and I gotta go to work today. So, it's another anti-haul. Let's get right into it, starting with Tarte. You know, as much as Tarte is canceled, I keep coming back to come nitpick them. I call it a nitpick because it's nothing usually of value. So, they have their whole new collection, Trust and Fairy Dust collection, and girl, I feel like there's like 6 different IPs they're fucking with just by doing this. Like, the brushes look like the wands from the Fairly Odd Parents. I can't remember who said Trust and Fairy Dust, but that was some other shit. Like, it's just unnecessary. It looks like they have a magnetic palette shaped like a flower. How many shadows can you fit in that? But basically, remember Tarte, all their stuff is catered towards medium-toned white women, so anybody else kind of gets fucked in the process. So just know that the most us as people color can buy without feeling ashy, gray, or just shitty is brushes, and then just say you bought them off like eBay and AliExpress. That's how irritated I am. But either way, it's another pink makeup collection. I think we're over rose tones. I think we're looking at like grungy greens. Like, I'm seeing a grunge, smoky resurgence in makeup, so I'm feeling like this is just very off trend. But the next item, which is the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. Again, we're playing with the fire of, wow, that's a really big palette. That's 3 times 7. That's 3 times 7. It's 21 eyeshadows, which, I mean, you're getting at Morphe levels of eyeshadows. And they're all colors you probably have if you have the Shayla Perception palette from ColourPop, if you have a Modern Renaissance palette or anything similar. If you have maybe a peachy palette, you have those kinds of colors already kind of interspersed in between those 3 palettes. You have this palette already. So, no. The packaging is so basic as well. And normally I usually get on companies about good packaging. I also get on them about bad packaging, like shit that doesn't fit anywhere or something. This packaging is so boring and so basic for Urban Decay. Like, I keep my Naked Heat palette, not because I love using it every day, because I really don't, because I usually end up grabbing everything else just because it's I have a bunch of palettes. But this palette, I love this packaging. The lip, the Naked, the weird, like, this is like a 2, like, there's a Naked behind these little like slatted bars supposed to look like a matchbox. And then you get inside and it's the same Naked shape they've always been doing, but the packaging usually is on fleek from Urban Decay, and this is not. So I'm just like, why would we waste our money? Travel and Inspire, you know what you could do with that money? Travel. I ain't got no eyebrows. I'm so sorry. The next one on my chopping block, let me get some tea first. In the morning, I have a cup of David's Tea Serenity Now. Keeps me all mellow until I can make it to work. And then I turn up because I gotta. At work, I can't be mellow. It's too many fucking people. So the next one on my shopping block is the Anastasia Beverly Hills new launches, including the Dream Highlighter palette. Girl, let's talk about this Dream palette for a second. If she stopped, just stop. Just Norvina. I know it's beautiful. It's like you're so in love with your product, and I can tell she's in love with her product. But these highlighter palettes need to stop. A lot of YouTubers are saying it. They're all right. Individual highlighters. I still have, still on top of the pile, I still have this single of Riviera that my best friend gave me. And it's like the best because it's just the shade that I need. It's nothing extra. I don't have a bunch of shades that I'm like, I guess I'll use that. Like, even my most favorite highlighting set, I don't like palettes usually. I bought this because I know I like this shade. This shade looked pretty, and this shade I also kind of wanted. Sets that take existing shades and put them together, that's what I like. That's what consumers like. Where you give me 6 new shades and everyone's still saying, can you bring back the original Glow Kit formulas? you're not listening to your demographics, to your user base. You're gonna be, yeah, a lot of you go, yeah, that's another one. Yeah, those people are hype everything. Literally, you tell them, oh, I'm charging you extra $2 for that guacamole. Yeah, guacamole. Like, these people are not of value to an actual opinion. They're more cheering on the positive and ignoring the negative. Negative being another 6-pan palette of highlighters that aren't, I would not say they're not wearable. I'll not say that anymore because everyone else feels that they are wearable, and a lot of people wear them frequently and constantly. I'm gonna say it's 6 more similar to just giant eyeshadow shades in a palette that I really don't need when I just want certain things in singles. Like some of the shades from the other palettes releasing some singles. They will buy those. Expand the bronzers, they will buy those. But I guess we're just gonna keep playing. She's also releasing an expansion on the nudes to her her regular lipstick range. I tried one and I had found a color I was like in love with, and I just forgot to buy it, and I'm really mad at myself. So there goes that. So I don't really have anything against lipstick. It's mostly the highlighter palettes with them. I just feel like, yeah. Next is the Crayola. You remember how everyone was making about Crayolas? Well, Crayola said, let me make my own makeup so that if you use my makeup, at least it's safe and non-toxic and not just a crayon melted down and mushed around. So they've released what looks like lipsticks and eyeshadows, and I think that's really cool and kitschy, but I feel like it might confuse some of the younger consumers, and I have quotation marks around that because sometimes it's not actually younger people who get confused, it's people of my age, people who are older, people who just don't know better, they get confused. But I say younger people to make everybody feel better. But some people might be confused by the fact that it looks like crayons and go, why can't I just use regular crayons? It would be cheaper. Hence negating the whole point of Crayola coming out with makeup. I'm just saying. Alright, stuff that I'm looking forward to or interested in or curious in. I'm looking forward to this foundation launch from ColourPop. I never bought the No Filter Concealer because buying a concealer online just sounds really, really like a great way to like be mad in 3 days when it shows up on my doorstep and is wrong. And I hate, like, it's $6, but I hate the idea of fucking up $6 concealer. But now they're coming out with a foundation range, and I'm excited, and now I'm just gonna go, I have to look for people who wear my concealer colors and who can dupe it out for me online, because this is really exciting. It's, I think it's like a $6 to $8 foundation, which the last $6 to $8 foundation was The Ordinary, and we all remember how The Ordinary went, which was, it's nice, but I need more here. If you haven't seen those DeFuckers videos, just go ahead and click the little eye. I'll link them up there for you guys just so you can see that they're really nice on first impression, but over an 8-hour day, 10-hour day, nah, bitch, we're good. They're also coming out with baking powders, like loose setting powders. They're coming out with one in medium deep, banana, and translucent, which is also really cool because these powders are really useful. These highlighters are not. Stop doing that. I hope that they're a little more, like, less flat matte and have some kind of, like, something to make them more satiny looking, because flat matte powders are exactly what oily girls will pack on and then wonder why do I look like a pancake. It's because there's no dimension going on, no shine, and you need that shine and dimension on your face to kind of make your face look more real and less like a pancake. Honestly, that's just pancake. The last thing that I'm curious about, and I'm going to cut the video after this, the last thing I'm curious about is this Drunk Elephant de Bronze thing. Now, I don't, it looks like it's like a tanning oil. All I know is it looks really pretty and brown and soft, and I'm curious. I don't know if I'll buy it. I love Drunk Elephant stuff, but I don't know if I'll buy it just because it's probably really expensive, and it looks like Sephora's carrying a lot of tanning oil products, so I just don't know. but I'm curious. So anyway, that's going to be our anti-haul for today. I try to keep it short, and I see by the little ticker at the top of my thing that I still went too long, so of course, this is another long-ass anti-haul. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you would anti-haul down below in the comments. What are you anti-hauling right now? What did you not buy? What are you curious about? What are you thinking about buying? What are you going to buy? And then go ahead and just leave a thumbs up on this video if you like the anti-haul series. And go ahead and subscribe. You know, we do anti-hauls, first impressions, reviews, whatever on the channel. Go ahead and do the thing. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.